Welcome back to the channel. So I am actually warming up the M3 to be headed over to Precision Dynamics because we are doing the carbon fiber trunk install. It's the CSL style, and it's from ECS Tuning. I did upload an unboxing video, so yeah, make sure to check that out. But we are going to be heading over to Precision Dynamics, which it's been a dream of mine for a few years now to get some work done by them because they're renowned in the E9X M3 community, and they work on other cars too, but that's one of their biggest markets. So for years I've wanted to get work done by them, but I never had a car that was appropriate for it until now. So shout out to Precision Dynamics and Spencer Berg for kind of introducing me to them through his videos. So yeah, I'm really excited to check out the shop and just to get the before and after of this trunk install. So I don't know how much of the install process they're gonna let me film. Originally I DM'd them and they said that I could have filmed some parts, but as I was talking they were saying, like, I don't know if it's for liability issues or safety issues, but they're saying I can't do too much filming in the shop, which kind of sucks, but I'm gonna do the best I can to get the full process going. But this is the current setup right now. It's just the OEM trunk, and then it has a I don't know what style rear spoiler that is, but because it came with the car when I bought it. But this is what it currently looks like. Just a little walk around. But yeah, I'm really interested to see how the CSL style looks, because I do like how it looks right now, but I did always want that like one piece hood that's carbon, or one piece trunk that's carbon. So this is gonna be an interesting change.
You can try cutting.
It's a little bit of a nick right there, which sucks, but what can you do? The stock trunk is being disassembled and about to be removed. We did find a chip in the carbon fiber trunk. It's on the passenger top right, which sucks, but just try not to look at it too closely and I think it'll blend in. But yeah, we have the trunk right here. I'm also debating putting the X pipe, or getting the X pipe installed already, but we'll have to see. The trunk is off now. Here it is, next to the CSL style. Honestly, they don't look that much different just because it has the lip right here, but I think it'll look clean because it's one piece. Transferring over the ECS Tuning trunk. We're gonna see how good the fitment is, but I am anticipating there's gonna be needing some trimming just to get it on. Yo, it doesn't look bad. Has a little bit, I don't know. Is it? Fitment's a little bit. It needs to be trimmed a little bit, and it's kind of hurting to see and hear, but not the fitment's not perfect, so this has to be done. All right, so the trunk is on now. Honestly, I'm pretty impressed with the fitment and it looks really good. Super happy with the result. It did take about, I would say, 3 hours, because like you do have to transfer all the accessories from the OEM trunk and there's some modifications needed for that. But shout out to ECS Tuning for sending this over, and I'm hoping that we could do more collaborations in the future. Alright, so the ECS Tuning trunk, the carbon fiber trunk, is finally on, but in order to protect the trunk, I wanted to get a ceramic coat put onto the car. So I hit up one of the homies and he decided that he's gonna do it, and I'm actually gonna get him to talk about, you know, his company and also what he's gonna be doing today.
Hey, so what's up guys? My name is Angel from Kaizen Detail Studio, and today we're going to be doing a ceramic coat on this carbon fiber trunk. And it's pretty cool because you can use the rinseless wash as as what it says, is a rinseless wash. If the car's not too dirty or anything, you can pretty much use this as a complete car wash. So, as you can see,
dude, we already see some contaminants being pulled off right there. Sheesh.
And the cool part is that this is not a heavy cleaner. Like, it's not a degreaser. It's not gonna stain any like delicate materials like this carbon fiber, or if you have chrome, or if you have just something that you don't want to scratch up or you don't want to mess up. If you've got that piano black finish for those wheels, this is perfect. Like, it's got like that perfect cleaning power, along with it just being completely safe on most surfaces, on all surfaces actually.
Nice. That was a really good explanation for it.
Now that we have the surface now fully prepped, we're going to apply the ceramic coating. This is the Adams graphene ceramic coating. It's the advanced. It just means that it's going to last longer. It's more durable, and yeah. And essentially what we're going to do is, before you apply any ceramic coating or any bottle, any carnauba wax, obviously if it's in a spray form, you want to shake it up just in case anything was left to the bottom. And you know, if it's been sitting for a while, you just want to shake it up and just make sure that everything's activated and it's ready to go. And on my other hand here, I have a suede microfiber applicator pad along with a suede towel. And why I chose suede is one of the materials that is going to absorb the coating very well while not keeping it inside of it, and it's just going to keep it to where we can apply it onto the surface. A lot of people are going to use microfiber applicator pads, which is fine, but the thing is that the applicator pad itself is going to hold onto the coating in the fibers rather than you applying it onto the surface. So to his their own. I'm not, you know, judging or pushing down on anybody, but this is just what I'm choosing.
The trunk is fully coated now. It looks a lot better. In the reflection, it looks like glass, so that's a really good thing. And it didn't take too long. I think it only took about 30 minutes, 40 minutes maybe, but we were also talking, so yeah. But anyways, huge shout out to Kaizen Detail Studios for getting this done. And it was fun kind of learning about the whole process and just learning more about the chemicals and how they work. But hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Shout out to ECS Tuning again for collaborating with me on the trunk. Shout out to Precision Dynamics for installing it. And then once again, shout out to Kaizen Detail Studios. I'm gonna put all of their information in the link below, but don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next upload.